Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this session, I'm going to talk about vertical slice architecture in ASP.NET Core Web API. What we will cover in this session, what is the difference between the vertical slice architecture and the traditional layered architecture. So if you take traditional layered architecture is nothing but repository design patterns or any other three-layered architecture or something else. So if you take a repository design pattern as an example in this, code is grouped by technically responsibility. So what it means, the code is, for example, controllers, services, repositories, and database. For example, if you take one use case that is employee, so the employee controller we need to create and a repository, iRepository file, employee iRepository file we need to create. And for that implementation purpose, employee repository file we need to create, and as well as services and to the database. So these are the files we need to create. So these are like grouped together in technical responsibility. A single feature often requires changes across several folders or projects. What it means, a single feature, if you take employee, for example, like CRUD operations, what we are going to do, insert, delete, update, and read. These operations, what is vertical slice architecture? We know, we talked about just now, traditional layered architecture. If you take a repository pattern, so there are, we have seen the advantages and disadvantages. If you take vertical slice architecture, organize the application around use cases, not technical layers. So this is a statement I can say. Organize the application around use cases. So if we take one use case, employee, okay. So it is the employee, all features, all CRUD operations or all files under that feature only, under that folder only. It won't in different files. So each use case is an independent vertical slice. For example, create customer, update customer, get customer, and delete customer. These are all customer related files under that particular folder only. So I will show you a better example in practical way so that you will get understand more on this.